Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to write a personal profile. Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to write a personal profile. A personal profile is basically a short description about yourself, highlighting the characteristic features of your personality, your academic and extracurricular achievements, your hobbies, interests, plans for the future, your dreams and aspirations. Remember those good old days when as children you used to write a composition named myself? Here also you will do the same thing. You will write about yourself, but you will do so in a very convincing way so as to persuade the readers that you are eligible for something, that you are the best suited for a particular thing. Let's read the question and you will understand this a lot better. Write a personal profile to be submitted to the principal of your school telling why you should be awarded the trophy for the all-round best student of the year. So what is the event here? All-round best student of the year, and you are a potential candidate and you will have to describe your positive points. Only your positive points, the reasons why the principal must choose you as the all-round best student of the year. The word limit is 200 to 250 words. So let us read and then you will understand. The first paragraph, the introduction, must include your personal traits, the characteristic features of your personality as well as the academic achievements. I have also mentioned the extracurricular achievements in the introduction itself. Choice of words is very significant. Use good words in order to describe yourself. I am an inquisitive, diligent, optimistic student, zealously trying to attain perfection and excellence in every sphere. This is how you project yourself in a favorable light. You are an inquisitive, that is curious, diligent, hardworking, optimistic, a positive student, zealously, enthusiastically trying to attain perfection and excellence in every sphere. You are an all-rounder. At least you are trying to excel in all spheres. My academic achievements bear testimony to this. I have always scored well in my class from class 1 to class 10. In my class 10 board exam, I got 92% with full marks in mathematics. Now, some of you may ask me, ma'am, but I did not get 92% or above 90. What will I write? In that case, I will give you a piece of advice. Since you will be attempting this question for your examination and since you will get marks for attempting personal profile, a little bit of creative liberty is allowed. You are allowed creative liberty to project yourself as you want. So maintain a balance and write whatever you like. Striking that balance is important. Keep this in mind, you're going to get marks. In this session, I am doing exceptionally well in the exams. I also take a keen interest in extracurricular activities. Participation in inter-house speech, drawing and extempore contests, inter-school drama and debate competitions, and winning medals have been the highlight of this year's performance. This is how you are trying to prove yourself better than the others. You are trying to do well in almost all sectors. In studies, in extracurricular activities, and let's see what else I have written. My dear boys and girls, this is just a rough framework. You know yourself well. You can describe yourself the best. Just learn how to write a personal profile and I'm sure you will do great. Sports is another sphere in which I excel. I am the captain of the school football team. Leadership has enabled me to promote true sportsmanship, teamwork, and collaboration among the players. Since I want to win the all-round best student of the year, I will have to I'll have to highlight, emphasize the good things that I do for the school as well. I'm only good in studies, I'm good in drama, in speech. This is not going to be enough. You will have to contribute something to the school as well, and this is how I do this for the school. Leadership has enabled me to promote true sportsmanship, teamwork, and collaboration among the players. I am a team player and have successfully led the school team to be the state champion this year. I am an avid reader. Another aspect of my personality, I am an avid reader. I read a lot. I have read many classics and bestsellers of contemporary authors. Being the secretary of the school literary club, I encourage my fellow schoolmates to develop the habit of reading. This is how I influence my schoolmates as well. I encourage them. I encourage them to read and I promote collaboration, true sportsmanship among my team members. So I have a positive influence among everyone. So, respected principal, sir or madam, you can choose me as the most deserving candidate. This is how you write a personal profile, depending on the question. You will get a question, adapt your answer according to that question. But prepare a few points beforehand at home so that you do not face any problem at the examination hall. Next. My parents are working. This has made me mature, practical, responsible, and self-reliant. This reflects in my approach at school. This is how you will have to link your role in the school and your personality traits. I respect everyone and am fearless. This keeps me prepared to take up any responsibility at school and uphold the integrity of this prestigious institution. I will do my level best to uphold the reputation, the integrity of this prestigious institution. So, if I win this trophy, then you will not regret your choice. Respected principal, sir or madam. This is basically what you are trying to communicate through this personal profile. I aspire to be a soldier. With perseverance, patience, grit and determination, I am striving to fulfill my dreams and am hopeful that I will be able to inspire the students with my overall performance. So, this is the moot point of this personal profile. You want to emphasize your overall performance and you want to be an inspiration to your schoolmates. Mention the contribution, mention your contribution to the school, mention your overall performance, your plans for the future in the concluding paragraph. My selection as the all-round best student of the year will be a great motivation and a stepping stone to success. And if indeed you are chosen as the all-round best student of the year, you yourself will get a great motivation and this will act as a stepping stone to your success. So it will be a personal motivation and you will also try to motivate others. Therefore, respected principal must choose you. This is how you write a personal profile. Just follow the pattern. In the introduction, include your personal traits, academic and extracurricular achievements. In the next paragraph, try to mention your hobbies and interest, and then change paragraph, write about your aim and your aspiration, and in the concluding stanza, you must mention your plans for the future. Here I have mentioned about my aspiration to be a soldier in the concluding stanza, so keep it flexible, but follow this rough pattern. All these points must be there one after the other.